Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be doing another video on making a website, and we're going to be starting making new pages and diving deeper into CSS. And CSS basically what gives your website a bit more color and just makes it overall look better visuals. So if you want your website to stand out, we're going to use CSS. And the video quality has improved because of a new graphics card. And yeah, let's get into the video. So we're gonna go boot back up our tutorial website, and I think we already have done a bit. Yeah, I actually made another website because the website back then was not really that good. But if we go to index, here I'll be getting into this a bit. So we actually started doing imaging. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can go into this. Like, click on it, it goes to another page. So what you want to do, it's my Discord, go to the tutorial website, and we're going to edit. Now I'm going to delete this for now, and we're going to hit, we're actually going to open up Visual Studio Code. And if you don't remember that, it's a program that you have downloaded. And yeah, so we're going to go to tutorial website, CSS. Actually, yeah, we can go to find folder. Let's go find this. I have to open folder settings. And you know what, whatever, it's fine. Alright, so we're going to go to the folder and we're going to click on index.html. Now, this is where we kind of as the main source. So if we want to add another image, another web page, we're going to have to add a new file. So we're going to hit new file, and we're going to call this, I don't know, let's just say staff.html. And here we're going to write where our staff is now. We can then connect these two by using this. So it's the same thing as kind of like when you are doing like a paragraph, we put it where we want to do. So I'm gonna put it right behind home. I want to put it under hold on, let me see. We're gonna put it under that web page. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do the little caret thingy. I don't know what it's called. Actually, no, we're going to do li. And we're going to do a with another caret, href equals, and then what the web page you want to link it. So we're going to do staff.html. It should pop up immediately. And then we're going to call it maybe staff. And then, yeah, it should work like that. So, now, if we save it, and I open this up, give me like 2 seconds, reveal and explorer. Yep. So if I go to index.html, it should pop up right there. I don't know why it's popping up over the, because, hold on, give me 2 seconds. I did specifically what I didn't want to do. So, right here we wanted to put it. And now, it should be down here. So when we click on it, it goes to a blank page. But we have staff.html, which is awesome. We can now go back. So, now we can do some more stuff. So, what we want to do is we can now go to here and start adding some stuff. So the same thing as doc type HTML. I'm going to kind of skip ahead. HTML, head, title, staff, and then we're gonna do a separate. We're not gonna go onto CSS. We're not gonna go onto style sheets. We go back to head, body, and then h1 staff list, and then let's see, we're gonna do a paragraph. Here is the list of staff. Obviously I'm not actually gonna be using this, so now we can do some stuff. So if you don't know, the li, which is what I did, we added the bullet point. So we can add a bullet point by doing li. This should have already made. Okay, and then like shadow li tippy, and then boom. So if I save it and I click on staff, here's the list of staff, shadow tippy. Now I don't want to be having to go all the way back here, you know, stuff like that. We want to actually be able to go back, so we're gonna do the same exact thing right under here. We're gonna copy this just for the sake of time. We're gonna copy this little thingy here, paste it, and instead of this we're going to put index.html, and we're going to call it home, and boom. So if we click staff, there should be a home tab, and actually I'm not going to do li, I'm going to do h2. So h2. So boom, now we have this, we can click on home, and boom, there we have it. We go back to the home page, and I think it's pretty neat. I mean, that's really nice. Now here we're going to get into CSS, because there's not really know what to do. You can add whatever text you want, and this is going to be really nice. So now that we know how to add text, we want to actually make our website look neat, look really nice. So what we're going to do is go to index, and we're going to kind of customize index. But first we need to, actually we're going to customize index, yeah, but just a quick heads up, if you want to add CSS to your website, you're going to have to use this little bit of code that I have right here. And I don't know where it's, yeah, it can be wherever you want. Wherever you want the CSS to apply, then it should be like, if I put it right here, it would be that only this would apply, the CSS would apply to here. So if you want to do separate CSS, that's totally fine, or you can do different. Just do, for in here you want to create a new file. Now see, the reason I'm doing this is just to kind of demonstrate. So we're going to do a bit of everything. So we have the font family, which is nice, and we're going to actually rename this to font, and now we can change this to font.css, and we can also change this to font.css. Now we can also copy this, and we can add another CSS. So, and instead we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call it background.css. I'm not going to use it only for background, just for the sake. And we're going to do CSS background.css, and we're going to also do the same exact thing here, except not like that. And we're going to do background.css. And there we go. We have two CSSs. Obviously, if I still reload, it's going to be this. It's still gonna do the same exact thing. Yep. So let's get into it. So, oh wait, hold on. I might have font.css. Oh, I forgot to save. That's why. There we go. Now it's the yeah, always remember to save. That's a big key. All right. Now we can start working on it. So on background of CSS, the same thing we're gonna do. We're gonna do body, and now we're gonna add some stuff. So background dash color, and we're gonna do teal. Why not teal? Or actually, Thistle. I like Thistle. Thistle. Okay. And always add a semicolon. That's how usually code works. This applies if you know what JavaScript. If you have code with JavaScript, and you'll know that. So font family. Well, we don't actually need a font family yet now here because we have already font CSS, so we can skip font. I had it written in my book. So margin dash left. We're just gonna put it auto. Margin right as well as auto. Okay, we're gonna do we're gonna, whatever the background is, we're gonna choose the background. So the max width for websites should be 124 pixels and 1024, and the minimum width should be 256. So this will apply for mobile as well, or other monitors or whatever. Padding dash top, unless you had a really funky, unless this was for something else you wanted, then that's totally fine. So padding top, we're gonna do 8 pixels, and also for the padding bottom, we're just gonna do the rest for 24 pixels, or 24 px. I don't know if that sounds for pixels or not. I don't know what it really codes with what's it called, this anymore. But if you don't want to pay for Squarespace and stuff like that, that's totally fine. No one codes with HTML anymore. This is just from past knowledge. So padding right will be also 24 pixels. And oh, I forgot this one. Okay, so now if I save this, we can reload, and as you can see, we have this centered, and now it just generally looks better. I mean, in my opinion, it's all centered. As you can see, it looks really nice. Yeah, so the padding top, padding bottom, blah blah blah, this adds it centered. So if I were to change this to 16 pixels or 16 px, this will go a bit to the right. So we're gonna do 24 px, and that should make it back where it was. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna go a bit more. I think we still have a bit time. Yeah, we still have a tiny bit of time. So let's add a bit of more. So we're gonna do another thing, but instead of the body, we're just gonna add HTML, and we're gonna do background. So what I want here is I want something surrounding this, making it look just in general really cool. Obviously it's gonna look like a kid's website, but this is just for demonstration. It's not gonna look good at all. So radial gradient, and we're gonna do circle, and we're gonna do maybe blue 50%. Let's do red 50% and blue. So that's some big colors. This is going to add, and then the background size, to make sure that it doesn't go all around. I'm going to do 8 pixels by 8 pixels. Boom. Okay. So now this should add a ooh. Hold on. That shouldn't have happened. Okay. So this hurts my eyes a lot. This wasn't supposed to happen. So actually we're going to add some stuff in the body as well. So we're gonna add this. This is going to be a border, so I need the borders to be 2 px. Solid gray. I'm gonna put a solid gray. Man, I really messed up when I was doing this. Okay, and if I remember correctly, we're gonna do the border radius to 16 pixels. Why not? And I think that should have fixed it. I'm pretty sure. No, that's... Huh. This might have to be bigger. Huh. On background, border. background border, margin, the padding. What if I change this to 2 pixels? Okay, that's mega weird. I'm pretty sure this has to be a bit bigger. That's why. Here, I keep on switching to Discord. I'm pretty sure it has to be a bit bigger. So maybe if we change some of this, I don't know. You can kind of mess around with this, I guess. So yeah, this is I kind of failed on the circles a bit, but you know, that's totally fine. Just take out the circle and boom. Oh wait, nope. And now if I go back to staff, it should apply to the same thing. So yep, I guess that's it for the episode 2 of this series. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe, yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.